Let's see how easy it is to install a new SSD drive right here in your PS5. It should be easy enough. First one, you have to get the right SSD because you have to have the PCIe Gen 4 because that's fast enough to load all the games on there and play them from the drive. So that's what Sony recommends. So you should do that. And they also recommend a heatsink. So I got this Predator GM7 Gen 4 PCIe and then a Be Quiet MC1 heatsink or cooler. So that's the first thing we should install. So you get two parts with that. One is here where you put the drive in, and then it has a thermal pad there on the bottom, and then here the Be Quiet, the top part. This is the heatsink where everything can dissipate. So that should be on top of here. And then you should align those little holes there. So everything has that little screw hole in there. They should all align. So this should be it. So now we have our nice cooled PCIe. And then there's a couple of screws that came with this, so we can screw in the sides there. So let's do that. And you even get a little screwdriver with this set. So that's pretty neat. And let's get all of those in the, well, chassis, I think it's a complete chassis here. The little ones are so tiny. Okay, so M4 screws on all sides. Now some say it won't fit in the PS5 anymore, so let's see about that. I got the Slim diskless edition and then added the disk drive right here. So let's see how to open this side here. Okay, so that opens. And here should be the disk drive on the side. Let me go ahead and take you along with me just a little bit. Put you a little higher so you can see the drive. Just open this up. Okay, and then here is the slot for the drive. There is a little screw hole already, and then you can see how long your drive is. You just slot that in and then push down on it. And then there's the little screw hole. So you can just use the screw that's already in there. So different lengths of PCIe can be accommodated there. So that's a really nice system. And you can choose whatever drive you want. Not like with the Xbox where you have to use the drives that they support or they manufactured from Seagate. So we can just screw that in there. So it's nice and secure. So that's secure, it's in there. And it seems like this one still fits. So getting a PCIe like the Acer GM7 and then the MC1 cooler from Be Quiet or something similar works really, really well. And let's close this one up again. Cool. And just click this back into place. And now we're up and running. So this is how you install a new drive like the Acer Predator SSD and immediately start using this. So I hope this video has helped you how to do it.